But the translation is Dinesha, Suresha, Dinesha, Ramesha, Mahesha, Mahesha is Shiva, Shesha, Dinesha, Ananta Shesha, Dinesha is the sun god, Dina means the Lord, Isha means Lord, Din means day, Dinko Radko. You heard Radko? Oh, when's the class? Dinko Radko. You know Hindi. So Dinko. So Dinesha means the Lord of the day. But this is Sanskrit. They could say Surya, they could say Mitra, they could say Bandhu, many names for sun. So this is very beautiful. Dinesha, the Lord of the Dinesha, and then Mahesha, that's Shiva, and then Shesha, Dinesha, Mahesha, Shesha. It's very, almost every Indian I know has this verse memorized. So Dinesha, Shesha, it's a very popular one, Rasakana. And then, so the translation, all these gods are running after him. And Brahma, and Shiva, and Indra, and Surya, they're all running after this little boy, Gopal Govinda. And they can't catch him. And where can you find him? You can find him in the courtyard of some gopis, some Abira gopis. And they're clapping their hands, and they're telling him, they say, listen, if you dance, nachaimo, if you dance, we'll give you a leaf cup of buttermilk. And Krishna's dancing, dancing for the gopis to get a leaf cup of buttermilk. Ananda Kanda Bhagavan ki. This is Krishna, Vrindavan, and we love him. Jai Radhe.